What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you guys saw my Mishimoto cash can system install video, I mentioned that I was going to do a test after 1,000 miles to see how much oil does the catch can collect, and we're going to do that today. Now, I don't have a measuring cup or of any kind. I just have a simple 12-ounce cup that we're going to use to measure. And again, it shouldn't be that much oil in there to begin with, but you never know. We could be in for a surprise. Also, thank you so much to Mishimoto for sending me out a replacement bracket. The one that I had a lot of paint issues and scratches from shipping, so there was a hole in the box, and I ended up having to, contact them, let them know that that was not okay, and they actually ended up shipping me a bracket when they got back in stock. So thank you guys so much for that. So let's go ahead and begin by taking off the catch can. Oh man, that's sealed really nice. See what we're dealing with here in a second. Wow, that is interesting. That oil is really interesting. Well, that blow by anyways is really interesting. It's like a milky color. I'll show you guys here in a second. Just gonna put this down, make sure it doesn't get anywhere. Just gonna clean this up here really quick. And set it down. Do this here in front of the camera for you guys. This is just after 1,000 miles. And look at all that blow by. Wow, that is disgusting. I definitely don't want that crap in my engine bay. So here we are, guys. There's the catch can. It looks absolutely disgusting as I predicted. And there's our blow by. And it's probably less than maybe 2 ounces of oil and dirt and debris and whatever the hell gets all in the blow by. But yeah, it looks about 2 to 3 ounces tops, if that. This is a 3-ounce can, so it was about 3/4 of the way full. And to say the least, that's really good that we got this installed. Otherwise, that would end up in your intake valves and start coating them over time, and you get like a carbon buildup in your intake valve. So I'm really happy I did that, and I look forward to keeping this system on for a while. Mishimoto, thanks for this product, by the way. It's really good. We're gonna take a look at the rest of the catch can here. There you guys can see it's a baffle catch can, so it's really nice filter in there. Wow. Hopefully the camera is focusing enough on this. So as you guys can see, it's not very hard to take apart and put it back together on the car. I'm gonna do exactly just that now. I'm gonna clean the catch can up a little bit and put it back together and put it back on the bracket that we just got. So all I can say is I'm glad I got this product. I think I still think it's a little bit expensive, but other than that, it's something that I would recommend to you guys. Especially if you're tuned, make sure you guys get a catch can system. Whether it's this one, a custom setup, or whatever it may be, make sure you guys take care of your VR30. You don't want to run into any issues long term, especially if you plan on keeping the car. You're bound to scratch this catch can and getting it out of here at one point or the other, unless you absolutely take the bracket apart as well, which I'm too lazy to do, but you never know. Looks like it's just dirt, not scratch. So never mind that. Alright, we're back together. Definitely gonna check it every 1,000 miles because that was 2 ounces. This is a 3-ounce can, so I wouldn't push it past that for sure. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like. If not, that's all right. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you want to become part of the family, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys want to get a notification the next time that I post a video so you don't miss out on any content, hit the notification bell on the bottom right side of the video and you guys will get that notification the next time I post. Now, something to look forward to, not this Friday, but next Friday. It's Wednesday today. I'm going to get dyno tuned at AMS with my E85 setup, and we're gonna see what kind of power this thing lays down on the dyno. But for the most part, I've already been running on ethanol. I just got the go ahead to actually run the car on E70 Plus, So I'm gonna put some ethanol in the tank. Most likely it's gonna be a full tank of ethanol to see where we're at and kind of do some more testing with it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.